Good morning, student of class 6. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter number 6, sketch programming, introduction to game creation. Okay, so let's start. So what is sketch program? Basically this programming language is used for creating games, stories, animation and provides गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट द एडवांस प्रोग्रामिंग. दैट मीन्स ये जो प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है इससे हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, इंटरेक्टिव गेम्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, स्टोरीज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एनिमेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ओके, and this programming language is also uses event driving program with various sprites. It blocks building approach differentiated it from others programming language, yet it helps building a powerful programming skill. That means ये जो प्रोग्राम है वो क्या करता है, डेवलपिंग करता है किस चीज़ का, जो प्रोग्रामिंग स्किल है उसको डेवलपिंग करता है. ओके, so next part is how to start sketch programming. Type the sketch in a search box next to the start button and click on sketch 2, and these are the two steps to be followed to start sketch programming. Okay, next is the main window of sketch programming. Okay, so this is the above window is divided into 7 parts as shown in picture 6.2. Here you can see the window of sketch programming. Okay, first is tab. It displays the current status of sprites. Here you can see the cat or mouse is called a sprite. Okay, next is stage. The place where you can see your animation. By default an orange cat is placed in the center of the stage. Here you can see the center of the place a mouse is a cat is here. Okay, so this is called a sprites, and it by default it plays on the center of the stage. Okay, next is sprites list. The orange cat is called the sprite. In event driving program, sprites are object. Okay, these are also called the object. Sprite list is display all the sprites selected for the project. Next is blocks plates. For giving instruction in scratch, instruction are given from of the blocks. Okay, so block plates display all the blocks that can be used. That means जो instruction है वो हम लोग कहाँ से देंगे, ब्लॉक से देंगे. Okay, next is script area. Script area is very important. Script area the area where the program is created, जहाँ पे हम लोग प्रोग्राम जो कोडिंग जो होता है उसको हम लोग लिखेंगे. Next is green flag and red flag. The green flag is used to start main program and red to stops the sign the end the program. दैट मीन्स जो ग्रीन फ्लैग होता है उसको हम लोग प्रोग्राम को स्टार्ट करने में रन करने में यूज़ करेंगे, और जो रेड स्टॉप है रेड फ्लैग है उसको हम लोग स्टॉप करने में प्रोग्राम को स्टॉप करने में यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज टूल बार. फर्स्ट टूल बार इज मूव टूल बार. We all know that what is the uses of move toolbar. Allows dragging and dropping of the sprite to different location on the stage. Duplicate, make a copy, currently selected sprite, delete, remove. Okay, grow sprite, increase the size of the sprite, shrink price, decrease the size of the price sprite. Okay, here you can see the different toolbar is here. Green flag and red flag, stage, sprite list, tabs, block plates, script area. Okay, toolbar. Okay, next is how to create uh, your first sketch programming or application. Okay, so first this sketch application are made up of object called sprites. Sprite means here you can see 6.3 image. Okay, this is called sprite. Okay, sprite can be moved and made interacted with our sprites. A sprite has three main components. Okay, three main components. Sprite script, collection of blocks that control the operation of sprite. That means जो script होता है वो क्या होता है, collection of blocks होता है. हम लोगों ने बोला था, पहले ही डिस्कस किया कि blocks में हम लोग instruction देंगे. Okay, so the collection of blocks that control the operation of sprite. Script can be run by double clicking on the code blocks. Next is costumes. Sprite can be consist of many costumes. Okay, next is sound played during application execution. By default all this scratch project have a single sprite, a cat. Okay, it is named a sprite. It does not have the script attached to it but has to costume and sound associated with it. To create a new application project, click on new. So these are the steps to be followed to create your first Scratch application and project. Okay, next is, here we can see how to generate a new sprites. Okay, so first is Scratch provide three different options to work with sprites. This can be accessed through the new sprite button shown in the figure number 6.0. Here you can see new option is here, so we need to click on this new option. Okay, next is adding a sprite from library. Okay, click on the choose library option. Sprite library will be appear shown in picture number 6.7. Here you can see different types of sprites is here. Okay, aeroplane, ball, football, basketball, banana. Okay, these are called sprite. Okay, examples of sprite. Choose a sprite as per your project or as per your choice. Okay, then click OK button. Next is paint new sprite. To click on the paint new sprite button, then paint editor window will be appear as shown in the figure number 6.0. पेंट मतलब कि आप लोग खुद से ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओके, उसको खुद से ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. use the tool given to draw a new sprite. The new sprite will be appear on the stage itself. Here you can see the signal is here. Okay, so we आप लोग एज पर योर प्रोजेक्ट रिक्वायरमेंट आप लोग कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अपलोड स्प्राइट फ्रॉम फाइल्स. आप लोग पहले से कोई भी कुछ ड्रॉ करके उसको अपलोड भी कर सकते हैं. न्यू स्प्राइट फ्रॉम कैमरा से भी ले सकते हैं. ओके, एडिंग बैकड्रॉप्स. टू गो टू द फोल्डर टू इंसर्ट ए बैकग्राउंड. ओके, चूज द अप्रोप्रिएट इमेज देन क्लिक ओके. जो हम लोग कोई भी अगर कुछ कर रहे हैं उसका जो बैकग्राउंड होता है उसको भी हम लोग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ओके, by adding backdoors. Okay, next is working with blocks. There are three types of blocks in Scratch. Okay, first is stack blocks, next is head blocks and reporter blocks. So first is head blocks. This block starts every script. They are shaped with a curved top and bump of the bottom of the blocks can be only be placed below them. Head blocks are essential for making the projects. Okay, here you can see the image. Okay, next is stack blocks. They are codes with the mark of the top of or bump at the bottom. They are blocks to perform the main commands. They are shaped with a notch at the top of the top and bottom, so the blocks can be placed above and below them. Okay, next is reporter blocks. It is a code block. Okay, it is a code block that either rounded or has a angle sizes and specifically designed for a mechanism for providing input or for other code blocks or to process it from another number of sentence. सो मेनली हम लोग जो इंस्ट्रक्शन स्क्रैच को स्प्राइट्स को प्रोवाइड करेंगे वो तीन तरीके से प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. हेड ब्लॉक से, स्टैक ब्लॉक से एंड रिपोर्टर ब्लॉक से. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एक्शन इन स्क्रैचेस. फर्स्ट इज मोशन. मोशन मीन्स मूव्स और टर्न्स. हम लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जा सकते हैं, उसको हम लोग मोशन बोलेंगे. लुक्स makes a sprite to say things, so height, switch costume and change color. Each object can have several costumes. Okay, this is called looks. Sound, play sound, stop and change the volume. Pen, make pen up, down, clear, change color and size. Okay, so next is event. A block of code can be made with a particular event occurs. For example, when a particular key is pressed, that means हम लोग को कुछ सेट करना होगा, की सेट करना होगा, उसी से ये सब इवेंट होगा. ओके, next is control structure like if then else. These are the comment. Okay, these are the comment code. Okay, and it can be used in a program. Next is sensing, situation of sensing action. Next is operators. We can compute using arithmetic expression and checks for complicated conditions using logical operators. Next is data, create a new variable and list. Okay, so these are the actions in sketches and all the scripts are here. Motion, look, sound, pain, event and the description are here. Okay, so all of you need to learn this table. Okay, next is, this is very important. Task number 1 is to make a cat move 50 steps and turn right 90 degrees. So how it will be work? Okay, first steps is drag a move block from motion category into a script area. Here you can see the cat is here. Okay, so drag a move block from motion category into the script area. Next is task number 2, to add a sound. Drag out a play menu from sound category and snap it onto the move block. Okay, here you can see move 30 steps. Next, play sound. Click on the listen to the sound. Okay, here you can see the action area is here, and uh, action script area. We write all the blocks from here. Okay, in the here. Next is to say something. Click on the looks category and drag out a say block. Okay, drag out a say block inside. Click inside say block and type your message. Here you can see we drag the say block is here. Okay, in the script area, and we click it and write our message here. Okay, next is task number 4, green flag click. Drag out when clicked green blocks and snap it on top. Then script will run whenever the green flag is created. To stop the script, click on the stop button. Okay, that means यहाँ पे आप लोग जो देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे स्क्रिप्ट जो बोल के लिखा हुआ है, इसको हम लोग यहाँ से ड्रैग करके यहाँ पे ले आएंगे. ओके, स्क्रिप्ट एरिया में ले आएंगे और हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि उसमें जो हम लोगों का कोड है वो डालेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज change the color when the key press. Then change the color when the key press. Snap on a when space key pressed and click on the drop down and select any key from the given choice. Okay, here you can see the space is here. You can choose as per your choice, space, enter, backspace. Okay, you can choose as per your choice, any key you can choose. Okay, then select color, change, then color. Here you can see the drop down menu is here, and you can change the color from here, from looks category, and snap it below when a space key press to change the color of the cat. Okay, next is working with loops and repeat blocks. We all know that loops mean repeated functions. Okay, repeated function. when हम लोग एक चीज हम लोग 2 बार करना चाहते हैं, 3 बार करना चाहते हैं, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको हम लोग लूप बोलते हैं. ओके, so first is repeat block. So repeat block is a control block. The block inside this will repeat or loop a certain number of times before allowing the script to continue. For example, repeat blocks can be used to change the costume. This saves time for coding it again and again. That means वही मैंने बोला कि repeat block अगर हम लोग लेंगे, ये सब जो पिक्चर में दिख रहा है ये सब ब्लॉक है, और ब्लॉक्स को हम लोग कहाँ से लेते हैं, माउस से ड्रैग करके हम लोग स्क्रिप्ट एरिया में लेके वहाँ पे कोडिंग करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज forever block. Forever block is a control block. The blocks inside this block will be loops similar to repeat blocks. Okay, for example, forever blocks can be used for playing sound till stop button is not pressed. That means continuously जो sound होगा वो चलता रहेगा. Okay, next is forever if blocks. Forever if blocks is control block. This block would continuously check if boolean condition. If the condition is true, the code else inside the block would run and the script continues. But if the condition is false, nothing would be happen until becomes is true again. That means हमने पहले भी सीखा था कि either is true it will be run, and if false then it is not run. Okay, so next is adding multiple script. Change the backdoor to writer lights from the backdoor library. Move the script one sprite one, and that is the cat, towards the left corner of the screen. Next, screen the size of this cat using the screen command from the toolbar. Okay, next is insert another script from the script library and select dog1. Repeat steps 3 on the dog1 sprite. Select cat and drag the block shown in the figure number 6.21. Okay, here you can see the picture number 6.21 blocks are here. Okay, next is click on the green flag and observe the sprite run their commands simultaneously. So these are the steps or code to be followed to adding multiple sprites in a stage. This application is very easy to learn, and all of you need to practice it, okay, at your home. Otherwise you won't understand what is blocks, what is script area, what is stage area, okay, what is sprites, okay. So all of you need to read the book very properly, read the book very properly, and uh, also learn the question, and also learn the steps or course, okay, uh, for understand the topic, okay. Next is assessment zone, okay. Here you can see the fill in the blanks. We all know that in our examination only short question are coming, okay. uh, so first is fill in the blanks. Dash is a programming language used to creating interactive games, stories, animation. It provides good understanding about advanced programming. So we all know that Scratch is a programming language. Okay. Next is Dash given instruction in Scratch. Block plates. Next is Dash make a copy of currently selected sprites. Duplicate. Stack blocks are codes with a mark at the top of the bump at the bottom. Next is looks make the sprite say, think, show, height, switch costumes, and change color. Okay, so these are the mainly fill in the blanks, and many short questions are coming inside the chapter, so all of you should read the book very carefully, okay. All short questions are coming inside the chapter, or one and two question are coming from the exercise, so all of you should read the chapter very carefully to answer in examination, okay. So I hope that all of you understand today's topic, but all of you need to read the chapter very carefully to understand the full concept of this chapter, okay. So I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will discuss another chapter. So till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.